Alright, it's already nighttime and this is my first time recording at night on my camcorder. So basically this is the front door with the Christmas tree, and here are some of the Christmas decorations right here. And hopefully, I don't know how well this turned around, but it's a good shot. It's my first time doing a nighttime recording. And here are more Christmas lights here. And as we go around, wow, there's more Christmas lights right there at that other house right there. And I'm not sure what that is. Oh yeah, it is the light post right there. And here is a glimpse of the backyard. I could zoom in for a bit, maybe. Yeah. Still learning how to use the zoomer on this, though. So, yep. Here's more of the lights, though. And cut.